Today we're going to make shortbread!
Yay! Today we are making shortbread, and in our kitchen today we have the CEO of Anikes Homemade Bakery and Pastries. Yay! Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we're happy.
Like we heard, today we are going to learn how to make shortbread. So let me allow the baker in-house to tell us what to do and introduce the ingredients.
Bread. This is corn flour. We have all-purpose flour. We have sugar, butter, peanut M&Ms, and little vanilla for some extra taste. We'll be pouring out the butter. And then pour in the sugar. Do you understand? So we put butter and
Sugar.
all we're just trying to do is to cream the butter and the sugar. And after mixing, you always have to scrape the edges, the sides of the bowl. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that everything will be together. One more mix. Then after this, we'll add a little vanilla essence. So small, just tiny. So we're making these cookies whatever we want it to be, and because of that, we just put small. Small. Yes, it is. Yeah. Then the next we do is we have our corn flour, and then we're going to pour it. We first use our spatula to mix it, so that when we use our electric mixer, we don't have a cloud of flour. Give it a quick mix. Then we'll now use our hand to mold it together into a dough. And the first thing we usually do before this is we've already washed our hands. Yes.
Wow.
And that's because of it. Thank you. I'm going to just try to create the smashed M&Ms in.
Wow. It looks yummy.
Yes.
And tasty.
So you pick one cutter that you'd like us to put it down. Then Anita, which would you like us to use? Okay. Hold it. Hold it well. Hold it well. So I just need to make. I'm going to put the dough together again and then roll it out. If you keep putting the dough together, and because it's very soft, so we can just work it together. And use the rolling pin and then roll out.
Oh.
In our refrigerator, so we're going to use it's on the same. Yes. So
ready.
Remember to hit the subscribe button.
And turn on the bell notification so you don't miss our videos every Saturday. Thank
Thank
you.
you.